So 9.8 in Assimilate Live, the color changing is a bit different. So we go to our stage lights, and you can see the other lamp is now kind of displaying solid color, and other one is doing the pixel mapping. So to use the single color mode, you click over here and you select the color. So I'm turning the other one also to be single color mode. So kind of choosing color from the hue range and then adding saturation and then adding lightness, and then you say okay. But then like you can see it's still kind of doing something off the background, like image pixel mapping. So what you do is that you open this panel, and now there's a crossfade here function as top. So on the left it's pixel mapping, and on the right it's choosing the color. What is kind of assigned. I don't know, for 100% for some reason turns off, but basically like something like 99 and it should be okay. So you kind of have the best of both worlds. The other option or place where you can get this is from the fixture itself and color sampling. And here you see the crossfader, video to solid color. So video versus the solid color. Another option I didn't mention is a kind of handy feature that allows you to control the lights anywhere in your scene. So from the mixer, this QR code pops up this window, which you can scan with your phone or just open the browser. And it opens up a window where you can see your lights being controlled. You can also find it here in Tools and Remote Control. So this window opens up. So here's what the remote control looks like. You basically have the master level here. Do it so that you can see the both windows. Then you have kind of switching on and off the lights. You have the same color selections. Actually, they are even better than in the app. And then you have the crossfade between the pixel mapping mode or the kind of the light mode. But this one works quite nicely also on the mobile browser. So now they're both in pixel mapping mode, changing back to color mode. Choosing color, but here in the color wheel it is in crossfade. No, not 100%, close to. So